I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing your clip and preparing the timeline so slow motion looks natural. First, make sure the source was shot at a high frame rate. This gives more frames to interpolate. Once done, set the project frame rate to 60 or 120 FPS in project settings so Capcut doesn't drop frames when slowing down. Trim tightly around the action to avoid long, empty stretches. This reduces visible distortion and keeps the performance responsive while you apply speed changes. Now you apply the actual slow motion and ensure it's smooth. Select the clip and open the speed tool, choose curve if you want ramps, or normal for constant slowdown. Drag the speed to a target such as 0, 5 or 0, 25, and when using curve, add nodes to ease in and out so motion doesn't snap. Crucially, enable Capcut's frame interpolation option, labeled optical flow or smooth, so the app generates intermediate frames and avoids stutter. Make small adjustments, then preview at full resolution. Finish by refining and exporting your smooth slow motion. Play the clip at full resolution to inspect for wobble or ghosting. If edges look choppy, add subtle motion blur or reduce the slowdown factor slightly. When satisfied, export using the project frame rate and a high bitrate to preserve detail. If problems persist, make sure the original clip was higher FPS, toggle the optical flow setting off and on, or use a gentler speed curve. These steps usually resolve jitter or interpolation artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.